Hello students, welcome to the new lecture, and in this lecture we are going to discuss about the two topics. They are vitamins and vitamin deficiency diseases. Okay, in the last class also we have discussed about the vitamins. So what are the vitamins? Vitamins are nothing but they are organic compounds. So organic compounds are nothing but any chemical substance which have the carbon. It is known as organic. Okay, here the vitamins also has the carbon. So these vitamins are known as organic compounds. Like vitamins and carbohydrates like glucose, it is also organic. Like next amino acids and proteins, they also organic. Okay, so here the organic compounds, these vitamins are organic substances or organic compounds, and they are micronutrients. Micro means small. Okay, it means they are required for the body in less quantities and also in a lesser proportion. It is known as micronutrient. Micronutrient means required in small quantities. Okay, so generally the people will not suffer from the vitamins. Why? Because these vitamins, first of all, they are required in lesser quantity, and as a result these people will not suffer with the vitamin deficiency diseases. Okay, so the body can synthesize vitamins. Okay, body cannot synthesize vitamins. Okay, this body cannot synthesize vitamins, so the vitamins can be taken, or vitamin has to be taken from the outside through two ways. Okay, one is from the diet. You have to take the vitamins from the food. Okay, another is from the microbes. Okay, microorganisms also required. So in your body, especially in the elementary canal, there are some microorganisms. These microorganisms are known as gut microorganisms. They are going to produce the vitamins. Here see vitamins. The vitamins are two types. One is from the food. Okay, the food that you take, and next is from the microorganisms. Okay, microorganisms. See here, these microorganisms are going to live inside your alimentary canal. Here you are going to provide the food and also shelter for the bacteria, and also in return this bacteria is going to provide some amount of valuable vitamins to you. Okay, so here the based upon the solubility, the vitamins are classified into two groups. Okay, they are water soluble vitamins and also fat soluble vitamins. What are water soluble vitamins? Water soluble vitamins means they are soluble in water. Okay, so again two classifications. Okay, classified into two types. One is water soluble. Okay, one is water soluble and next is the fat soluble. Okay, what is fat soluble? Fat soluble means these vitamins are soluble only in the oil components or oil substance. They are known as fat soluble. Here the water soluble means they are soluble in the water only. Okay, they are water soluble. Okay, here you can see the water soluble vitamins are vitamin B complex and also vitamin C. Okay, vitamin B complex and vitamin C both are water soluble. Okay, and next is the vitamin A, D, E and K. Okay, A, D, E, K, these are known as fat soluble. Okay, if you can remember the fat soluble and also water soluble vitamins with small trick, that is headache. Okay, it is a Hindi word. Okay, headache, BC. Okay, BC means biochemistry or biology chemistry or whatever it may be. Okay, so headache, BC, it is a small trick to remember the vitamins, two types of vitamins, ADEK and BC. Okay, so these are the two. This is about a small trick to remember the two types of vitamins. Okay, that is water soluble and also fat soluble. See here, ADEK, headache, it is fat soluble, and B and C, so these are water soluble. Okay, these two vitamins. Next, the deficiency of vitamins through diet causes disorders in the body. Okay, for example, if you are taking a meal which containing lesser and lesser amount of vitamins, so in that condition you are going to have some kind of deficiency diseases. Okay, here in this table we have discussed this completely written. Okay, the first vitamin is thiamine B1, So it is present in cereals. Resources means in which seed or in which food material are present, that is known as resources. Resource means the source. Okay, so next, the deficiency diseases. What happens if they are deficient? That is known as deficiency diseases. Okay, deficiency disease means that it is a disease due to the deficiency of the particular vitamin. So next, the symptom. What is meant by symptom? Each and every disease will have such kind of a symptom. Okay, symptom means it is the show. Okay, the disease will show the symptom. For example, if a person is having the fever, that high temperature of the body is the symptom for the fever. Okay, these are the symptoms. For example, if you see the thiamine B1, okay, so thiamine, if it is deficient, the person is going to have the beriberi. The symptoms are vomiting, okay, fits, loss of appetite, deficiency in breathing, paralysis, etc. So these are the symptoms of the vitamin B1 deficiency. Okay, next is the riboflavin. So it is going to cause a disease known as glossitis. In the glossitis, they have the mouth cracks at corners. At the corners of the lips, they are going to see some small tissue damage. Okay, that is a crack at mouth corners. Next is the redundant sore tongue. The tongue will be very, very red. Why? Because due to the deficiency of riboflavin. Next, the photophobia. Photo means light, phobia means fear. Okay, they cannot see the light clearly. Okay, it means they have the fear of the light. Okay, next, the scaly skin. Skin is scaly. Okay, their skin is not soft and moist. The skin will be scaly. This due to the deficiency of riboflavin. Okay, next, the niacin. These are the food material that is present. Okay, it is going to cause pellagra. Okay, pellagra, it is going to cause dermatitis. Dermatitis means inflammation of skin. Derma means skin, itis means infection. Okay, the infection or skin inflammation. Okay, so next is the diarrhea. It means they will excrete a lot. Next, loss of memory, so they don't remember very well. And next is also the same example, the scaly skin. Next, the pyridoxine. It is a B6. It is present in these food material like cereals, oil seeds, vegetables, etc. It is going to cause anemia. Anemia means less amount of RBC. Okay, anemia means less amount of RBC. It is going to cause irritability, hyper irritability. So they are not stable. Okay, their mental conditions are not stable. Why? Because they will due to the deficiency of anemia, they will feel irritated all the time. They will get irritated, and that is known as higher irritability. Next, the nausea, like a headache, and also vomiting, fits, etc. So it is the deficiency. It is due to the deficiency of pyridoxine, that is B6. Okay. Next, the cyanocobalamin. Cyanocobalamin, it is also known as B12. It is going to cause pernicious anemia. So they have the lean and weak. They are lean, weak, and less appetite. Okay, so they are going to have very, very less appetite, and they are lean and weak means they are very, very weak. It means they are not much stronger due to the disease known as pernicious anemia caused due to the cyanocobalamin or B12. Next, the folic acid. So it is also going to cause anemia. They are going to have the diarrhea, loss of leukocytes. Leukocytes are nothing but a type of blood cells. Next, problem in related to the mucus in the intestine. There is not much amount of mucus is produced in the intestine. So as a result, they are going to have some kind of biological problem. Okay, it means it is a kind of disease. So next, the pantothenic acid. So it is going to cause burning feet. Okay, they will have the burning sensation in the feet. Okay, they have the walking problems and also sprain. Next, the biotin. Okay, it is going to cause nerves disorder. Okay, it is a nerves disorder disease. They are going to have the fatigue, mental depression, muscle pains, etc. Okay, it is due to the deficiency of biotin. Next is the ascorbic acid. It is also known as vitamin C. It is very, very rich in citrus fruits. It is going to cause scurvy. So if the vitamin C is deficient, they are going to have the delay in wound healing. Okay, wound healing will not be proper, and also fractures in bones. The fractures will occur in the bones when they fall on the ground or when there is small minor injuries or accidents. Next is the retinol. Retinol is also known as vitamin A. It is good for the eyes. Okay, good for the eyes, and also it means it is going to cause eye disease, eye and skin disease. And vitamin A is good for the eyes. Okay, why? Because the vitamin A helps a lot in the proper functioning of the eye. So if the vitamin A is deficient, they are going to have the night blindness. Night blindness means they cannot see properly in the night time. So it is also going to cause xerophthalmia. Xerophthalmia means xero means no water, ophthalmia refers to the eye. Okay, it means the less amount of water in the eyes is known as xerophthalmia. What happens if there is a very less amount of water in the eyes? After few days or after some period of time, the eye function will fail. Okay, eye will not function. Why? Because there is less amount of water in the eyes. Okay, so next, the cornea failure. Cornea will get broken down, or cornea will get damaged. As a result, they cannot see. They are also going to have the scaly skin. Okay, next is calciferol, or it is also known as sunshine vitamin. Okay, so it is also known as sunshine vitamin. So it is going to cause rickets, a disease known as rickets. What happens in these individuals? In these individuals, the improper formation of bones will get bent due to the formation of vitamin D, and also knock knees, swollen wrist, delayed dentition, etc. Dentition is nothing but formation of bones. Bones will not form properly in the children's. Next, the swollen wrist. The wrist will get swollen. It is going to fill with water. As a result, it will appear a little bit larger than the normal size. Next, they are also going to have the weak bones. Why? Because vitamin D is very important for the formation of bones. And it's the vitamin E, that is tocopherol. It is present in fruits, vegetables, etc. It is responsible for the fertility related disorders. Okay, so it is going to cause, if the tocopherol is very less in males, it is going to cause sterility in males, and it is going to cause abortions in females. If the tocopherol is less in females, they are going to have the abortion. Okay, so abortion means the death of the embryo inside the mother's womb. Next, the phylloquinones. It is also known as vitamin K. It is present in green leafy vegetables, milk, meat, etc. So it is going to cause a blood clotting disorder. It is a type of disease. So it is going to cause delay in blood clotting and also overbleeding. These are the two symptoms of the phylloquine vitamin K deficiency. Okay, and I hope this lecture is helpful to you. And till this lecture, the entire chapter is completed. And if you have any doubts or questions or suggestions, feel free to post in the comment section so that I will try to answer it. Okay, and in the next lecture we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 2. Okay.